NutriAdmin allows you to create professional recipes that then you can print and hand in to clients. There are two options for creating recipes. One of them is to create your own recipe, so you can specify ingredients, instructions, etc. Or another option is to search a recipe database that contains over 300,000 items. For example, I can search for an omelette, and you can specify many parameters like Spanish omelette, French omelette, omelette with ham, whatever you want. You can browse through the images and choose one of them. And when you do so, NutriAdmin will load the recipe, and it will load all the ingredients with the measures. So 1/4 cup of milk, 8 eggs. So this reads like a traditional recipe, specifying the cups. Optionally, you can show amount of grams or ounces, so that in case the client wants to measure the ingredients. You can manage the number of servings, and you can manage specify the time a recipe takes to prepare. And NutriAdmin will automatically calculate the macronutrient and micronutrient content in the recipe. Like, you can even specify the gender and age of your client, and NutriAdmin will calculate what are the dietary reference intakes for the different micronutrients in this recipe for an individual. Here's a preview of how the document will look like when you print it, and you can print it and include micros and macros in your PDF. Then you can create all the recipes you need. And here I have a selection of some example recipes created in the past. And this way, whenever you're creating a meal plan for a client, you can include one of your recipes, and this way your client can have not only a list of the foods that you recommend your client to eat, but also instructions on how to prepare the dishes. And you can do clever things such as ask your client to cook a couple of portions of a large recipe, and then split the different meals into different days. They can eat, for example, one meal one day and leftovers in the evening, something like this. For example, I can add a recipe to the meal plan, and when I add a recipe to the meal plan, it shows in this tab with all the instructions, etc. And also in the shopping list, this is broken down by ingredients. So when you have a large meal plan with 7 days and multiple recipes, multiple ingredients, snacks, you can hand in the whole document to the client, including all the nutritional information, all the shopping list, and all the recipes with step-by-step instructions on how to prepare the dishes, all in one professional document. So overall, if you have several clients and you find yourself giving them recipes, like usually a collection of recipes that you use over and over with different clients, you can save a lot of time and streamline your process by using NutriAdmin. We also have a database with over 80,000 different foods that you can use so you can search and get nutrition from a variety of foods. And you can also create your own foods if you want to specify some local product that maybe isn't available in the database. So that's all. Thanks for watching.